Hey guys, welcome to Social Studies. So today we're starting a new unit. It is North America, and it's probably going to last around 3 weeks. So whenever we start a new unit, we make a map. And we locate items, we locate places, physical features, and we put it on our blank map. Okay, so you're going to be filling out a map today that looks like this. Our student expectation is to be able to identify and locate major cities and physical features in North America. You're going to do that by labeling your blank map. So our language objective is labeling a map using a map that is already filled out. You're going to be looking at a map that is both a political map and a physical map. A political map is a map that shows what? Political map shows boundaries, such as states, countries, cities. Whenever there's a boundary, you can see where something ends, where something begins. That would be a political map. This map's also a physical map because it shows physical features like rivers, mountains, oceans, stuff like that. Okay, so a couple of things. When you're labeling your map, whenever it's a physical feature, just write it in wherever it's located. So for example, Appalachian Mountains, I just wrote it on the paper where the mountains actually are. Whenever you have to label a river, like the Mississippi River, you're going to draw in your river, and then if you don't have room to write the name of the river or physical feature or city, you can always write it off to the side and then draw an arrow, and I'll know what you mean. Okay? So that's for whenever your map is getting crowded or you don't have room to write down one of your physical features or your cities, always just draw an arrow. Makes it a lot easier. I do that all the time. One other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is cities. So when you label a city on your map, you have to use either a dot, or if it's a capital city, then you would use a star. So for example, Houston is one of the cities that you have to label. So you look at this map. Let's see if Houston's on here. It sure is. Find Houston. Wherever that dot is located, try to put it in a place that is close to that area as possible. So it might not be like the exact location, but that's okay. Close counts for here. So first thing is that I put my dot, okay, where Houston's located. Am I done yet? No, because I have to write down the name of the city. Okay. Always, always, always label your cities with a dot. This way I can see where it's located. If you just write Houston and you don't have like a dot that shows me, oh, it's located here, that could look like Houston is the entire state of Texas, which we know is not the case. So that's for a regular city. If it's a capital, the state capital, then you would go ahead and you would use a star. For example, Montreal is a city you're going to have to label. Montreal is in Canada. That is a capital, and then you would have to label that with a star instead of a dot. And I think that is all I wanted to tell you in this video. So remember, our student expectation is to be able to identify and locate important physical features in major cities in North America. We are going to do that by labeling a blank map of North America, looking at a filled out political and physical map. I'll actually talk about that in class. I think that's all I have to say to you. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and thank you for watching.